Hello, I'd like to share with you how we want to get started with our first project within Dreamweaver. So, one thing, what you should have done so far. You should have gone to your desktop of your device. You need to make a folder. And again, I sort of gave you this information during our class, either face-to-face or in Zoom. Okay, the naming process should be your last name, first initial. Again, that sort of goes along with what the book is asking you to do. So in my case, it's Lucas G. Then you were to go back and start creating all the subfolders that go along with the projects back here in the first progress sheet. Well, where did I get this information from? So I shared a progress sheet, and then what else you can do is back in Schoology, when you go back into the course materials, progress sheet 1, you can see the individual assignments. So I've broken these out in individual assignments for you. So here's plan, apply, reunion, recipes, business plan, and theft. And that goes along with what I'm showing you here. So this is where I've gone back to that. In the first one that we're going to do is plan. So I always define right here what the website is. So that's probably going to be your folder path with that. I will have pages that go along with this. Now on this first one, you're not going to have to start right on page 25. I'm going to take you through the first like 20 to 30 pages and then cut you loose around 50, and I'll confirm one page in a little bit. But I'm also going to have some notes here along the way, and I want to help you get started on this first one here. So now, this is one that you do not have to start from scratch. There is a file here, index. You're going to want to download this, and we'll go to your download folder. So I'll do that, and it'll show here in Chrome. Now I'll forewarn you, if you've already downloaded a file with the same exact name, by default a Windows 10 device will add like 1, 2, 3 after the word index. When you copy and paste that back into your plan folder on your desktop, you have to make sure you take that out. Okay, so get rid of that 1, 2, and the parentheses that go along with that. So I'm going to go back here, show in folder. Here's my index. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to minimize everything, go back into my Lucas G, open up my plan, and I'm going to paste that in right now. And again, I already have that file sitting here. But again, just to reiterate, if this is a duplicated file in your download, again, Windows will put like a parenthesis 1, 2, 3. Please get rid of that. It just should say index.html. So now where do we go from here? Now we're ready to go back into Dreamweaver. And again, like I said, I'm jumping over the first couple pages for you. So I'm going to launch Dreamweaver. And before we start on this very first one, I want us to go back up to where it says standard and hit reset. That way everyone's going to have the same starting point with Dreamweaver. Again, you can have, I run like a darker theme, like a dark theme. You could have light gray, whatever. So my screen might look slightly different, but the menu systems and the pull down menu should be all the same based upon what we're doing. Theme just changes the color of that. So now, what do we do next? Once we have the template file in our plan folder on our desktop, we have to tell Dreamweaver we are making a new site. So where do I go with that? Go to your quick start. I'm over here along the left hand side. I want to scroll down through here. I want to do site setup. Okay, now this is where you have to define the actual site that we're making. And I'm going to keep this simple right now. I'm just going to call this plan. Sometimes this doesn't always match up with a folder name, but in this case, I just want to make it very easy for you so you know what it is. But here's where people mess up. By default, and again, I wish we could change this. By default, it tries to store this in my documents on your computer. And again, that's not where it's at. It's on your desktop. Also, the folder name is on name site too. That's not correct either. So you got to go out to this folder here. You want to scroll up. I'm going to go to my desktop here, find Lucas G, and I want to find the plan folder and hit select and then save. This will now change this area in the upper right corner. This is where we want to go back and how we want to open up sites. We do not want to use file and open. This will screw up things. Again, this is a way of keeping things organized. It doesn't sound like it's much. We're simply making a shortcut right now out to that. but later on, as we're adding more things, it sort of locks Dreamweaver in on this. So it's important as you're jumping back and forth between websites, you're using this and you're closing out of the old files. So anyway, this is where we want to go. So now where are we at in this project? So essentially, you can start working in the textbook back on page 51 on step number 1 where it says to name and save the home page. And again, you already have the index made, so I'm going to double click on index and open this up. And that will sort of get you to where you want to be at. Now, I'll share with you, you should have one more thing that you should have up and running with this. So you should probably have your properties window with this to be shown. So I'm going to go back to the window pull down tab and I'm going to scroll down through here and I'm going to find properties. Now by default, it's going to open up as a floating window. I'm going to anchor it to the very bottom of my screen. So I'm going to pull this down to the very bottom until I get a blue bar and let go. And now it's going to be anchored. This is probably the biggest change between CS6 and the Creative Cloud. Typically CS6 would have a ribbon up at the very top with some of these buttons on here. Now it's all back in the properties. So at this point, I want you to start working on page 51 and you're going to take it from there. One thing I'll do is I'll make a secondary video on what it should look like and how do you want to turn this in. Let me know if you have questions.